Is this the best handheld vacuum of 2026? We've put it through rigorous lab testing to bring you an honest, data-backed review. Big vacuums can be a big hassle. We tested 11 top-rated handheld models on real-world messes, like crumbs, pet hair, and tracked-in dirt, so you don't have to. The Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro Plus takes our overall winner spot at $99. It weighs just 2.8 pounds, features a 0.43-liter dustbin, and comes with 3 attachments. In our lab results, it earned a solid 85 out of 100 overall, with a 9.0 in cleaning performance and 8.0 in both ease of use and pet hair removal. Its secret weapon is the self-cleaning motorized brush. It uses rubber fins to lift embedded dirt and stiff bristles to catch fur, providing maximum lift with 0 tangles. Designed for the real world, it includes a slim crevice tool for hard-to-reach car gaps, a scrub brush for embedded carpet dirt, and hands-free emptying. However, that power comes at a cost. The runtime is only 14.7 minutes, and the 0.43-liter dustbin requires frequent emptying. It's also loud, with noise levels peaking at 88 decibels, and it lacks a swappable battery pack, requiring a 2 to 3 hour charge time. Our first alternative is the $50 Black Plus Decker Dustbuster. It's a reliable budget choice for hard surfaces, but it's loud and struggles with embedded pet fur. Second is the $100 Black Plus Decker Furbuster. It offers a massive 0.68-liter bin and nearly 30 minutes of runtime, making it perfect for heavy pet shedding. Here is a comparison of all 3 models. While the Furbuster has the best runtime, the Shark remains our top pick for all-around performance and car cleaning. When choosing, remember that motorized brushes are a must for upholstery. Heavier units provide more suction but cause fatigue, and size matters for tight spaces. Pro tip: protect your suction by washing the filter in cold water only, and always air dry it for at least 24 hours before reinstalling. Replace filters every 6 to 9 months. Our final verdict: buy the Dustbuster for budget-friendly cleaning, the Furbuster for heavy pet shedding, or the Shark UltraCyclone for the best all-around performance. Which one are you buying? Check the links in the description for our full lab-tested data, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.